Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to cut straight to it today. I've just got a few little bits I want to put back on. Just had to reel on the bumper, so I've got to put that back on quickly. And we're going to get the camera in, we're going to get it in the screen, and we're going to go out and road test on it. Fingers crossed it's okay. I've got AA breakdown cover, so that's worst case. But hope you enjoy the video, and if you haven't already, if you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So let's get cracking.
Ayo, Paris, this shit high, boy.
Another thing to do when you buy a car test and before you take it out, just check the lights and do everything like that. The back two rear brake light bulbs are not working, so I don't want to get pulled over just for the sake of two brake lights. The car's all legit now anyway, it's all taxed, it's all insured. I've just put temporary 2 days insurance on it just to run it. But yeah, make sure you always check brake light bulbs and stuff like that, because you just don't want the ag. It's not worth it just for two bulbs, so always check stuff like that. Whenever you bought a car like that, just check brake lights, check all the lights work and everything like that. So first thing, the drive's really nice. Plenty of little oomph in it. It's pretty down there. Sounds like a wheel bearing I've got on the back. The exhaust is rattling, so I just think I've dodged it. Gear change is nice and smooth. It's got plenty, a little bit of power, nothing major, it's only 1.6, but it's temperature's good. Temperature's on half, staying on half. Just want some tweaking bits done. Yeah, it sounds like I need to put a wheel bearing on the back. It has got an ABS light on. We did plug it in, and it did have a fault with the near side rear. So I have jacked it up before, and it sounds a bit rumbly on the back. Oh my god, they're like absolute knobheads. But that'll be another video of that, unfortunately. It's more bloody money. But engine wise, yeah, very good. It's got plenty of power, temperature's fine, doesn't smell burny, doesn't smell anything like that. Just check the heaters. Make sure they're blowing out. Yeah, blowing out nice and hot. Turn it down because it's boiling. So I think engine wise we're okay, but now obviously I'm going to have to sort the exhaust and sort that wheel bearing. I was going to take it to work tomorrow, but I'd rather get that wheel bearing done before I sort of do anything with it. But I'll stop them, we'll have a look around it, and yeah. So yeah, that's running. It runs really nice now. Knocking, thanks to these two for their help. I'm hiding away. Yeah, they've helped me out massively with it. Couldn't have done it with both of them, so yeah. Not a bad little car, just it's obviously testing me a little bit, so I'm going to have to do that wheel bearing on the back there and sort that bloody exhaust out for a start. But other than that, yeah, it's okay. Looks like a car again, sounds like a car again, hums like a broken one again. But yeah, all good. Just a few little bits. I'll get a wheel bearing tomorrow for it, and then hopefully that'll solve that problem. So I'm on the way to work with it. I need to get that wheel bearing done on the back. It's quite bad. Not that bad. Engine wise, yeah, no problems there. It's not overheating. It's got a little bit of it. I don't really give it any. I don't really give it any. Just let everything settle in really. Clutch feels good. I need some wind out because the wind is open. And bits and bobs. But yeah, what I wanted is a lovely little car. It's got that ABS light and everything. Because of the wheel bearing in the back. Stereo don't work. So I'm currently driving the car with no stereo. Wheel bearing right in the back. Can't open the window because the window open. So yeah, it's the most quietest, not quietest trip to work that I've done. So, but it gives it a run. I've reset the average mile per gallon. I've averaged 45 miles per gallon. So you can tell how I've been driving it. Do I want to keep it? I'm not sure yet. I feel like I feel a bit old for this car. But we'll see. But I'm going to run it for like a month or so and make sure it is all good. But so far so good really. I will play this video in a little bit. I'm going to do wheel bearing later, so we'll do the video of the wheel bearing, and yeah, I'll show you underneath and we'll show you a little bit more of it. Well, I'm stuck here waiting. You see the lights on there. Temperature's nice though. Heat is good. It's a nice little place, it's alright. But yeah, a few little things to sort, which we'll do on video. But yeah, happy with it so far. So my window works. The regulator's moving, but nothing's happening inside. So what I need to do now is find out how. So there's a screw here, you take that cover off there, and I think this panel's got to move. So luckily, I'm going to put you there. I've just bought a set of little door card stuff removers. So I'm going to start stripping this, and let's find out why this window will not move. So we've got the door out. Let's quickly, where did I put that? There. Let's just quickly, let me plug this in. So it's plugged in. Not sure whether the window is literally just stuck. So let's get these 10mm bolts out and have a look. So after removing the regulator, yeah, I'd say that's fucked. So I'm gonna have to get a new window regulator for that now. If it's not one thing, it's another. So put it back together and then we'll drive home. Do you know what's annoyed me the most about this? I knew about the engine. Didn't say the exhaust is fucked, so I'm gonna have to buy a new exhaust for that. Don't know, try and find a Miltec or something like that. The window regulator here is absolutely knackered, as I showed you from the video. The radio won't even plugged in, the plug's fucked in the back, so I've got to try and you know, it's just one thing, isn't it? But it does drive really nice now. It's got a little bit of poke, nothing major. hurdles and you have things like that. You know, things happen and things get in the way and all that kind of stuff. You just gotta battle through it. You have to get on with it. Enjoy things and do what you do for you and do the best you can. You know, that's all you can ask for. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'll stop the recording when I get home as I'm driving. I hope you all keep well. I hope you enjoyed these sets of videos. When the regulator comes in, I will do that. We'll do a video on that, and then we'll have a good look around the car underneath, and I'll show you some of the other stuff